Peace, love, wellness, success, greatness, and much, much more. Again, guys, hopefully you manifesting what it is that you can manifest and get the most out of what it is that you can get out of this life. You have the ability, you have the strength, you have the innate intelligence to achieve the greatness that is in you, that is in me, that is in every individual. That innateness is something that we have to be able to dig out from beneath all the rubbish of everything that we have consumed mentally and emotionally that has put a damper or a cover over the innate intelligence that is the greatest thing that we can tap into that allows us to achieve greatness on this earth. We was put here to achieve greatness, or we came here, or we are birthed into an earth that allows us to become great. Now, we have obstacles that we will have to overcome, but those obstacles are very minimal. Those obstacles are not something that you and I can't overcome. Let me rephrase that. I'm not going to say that the minimum, many obstacles are great obstacles, but we can achieve and overcome any obstacle if we are in tune with the power of our being, the innate essence of our being. That is something that we all have to be willing to try to tap into. But again, we have been conditioned out of going inward for the intelligence that will manifest the insight that we need in order to overcome that which is on the outside of us. We are not in a good place internally speaking, mentally and emotionally. This is why we become lackluster in the things that we are producing. We have to connect. We have to bring that truth. We have to bring that greatness out. But first, we have to stabilize or to quiet the negative aspect of our thought process and birth the positive aspect, the strategic aspect, the dedicated aspect, and the energetic aspect of our being in order to pursue things energetically and in order to bring forth what it is that we have the power to bring forth to really benefit the life that we are experiencing. We want to experience our best life. We want to achieve those things that allow us to be comfortable, that allows us to be free of worry, to be free of stress, to be free of mental and emotional pain. These are the things that we can accomplish. But again, we have to do certain things. We have or must be willing to understand the impact of nutrition on your mental, emotional, and physical health. Nutrition is just not a physical thing. It's not just you, the determinant factor in you becoming overweight or underweight. It is the determining factor in how crisp the mind is, how sharp the mind is, how powerful the emotional profile of your being is, or the lack thereof on both cases. Nutrition can either help your mental state or it can destroy the mental state. It can either help the emotional state or it can help destroy the emotional state. It all depends on what it is that you're consuming. Now, there are other things that come into play. Fasting, again, it's a great asset for the body. It's a natural aspect of our human nature. It is the essence of being able to cleanse the body naturally, being able to get the body into ketosis naturally, being able to heal the body naturally, along with other things. Of course, it takes other things, but all these things play a role. Also, with the breathing techniques, learning how to breathe properly has a big impact on this human physiology, this human anatomy, this human biology. learning how to utilize herbs, and specifically utilize herbs that have the mineral and the vitamin profile that the body needs in order to get those things in the body that the body needs. And again, with that being a case, I want to share with you the site news that I really am excited about. You know that I treat everything that I've been dealing with naturally through herbs and through supplementation. But I was having to buy a ton of herbs in bulk, um, a ton of tinctures in bulk. I've been having to do a lot of things and create my own tinctures and etc., my own capsules, etc. But I've been able to partner with a company that I've vetted, that I've come to a good state of being, that what it is that they've been able to package in one package that I had to get from multiple sources is provide me with the mineral, the vitamin, the daily mineral, the daily vitamin profile that the body needs. I have partnered with this company, and I now have a website, and I'm promoting this actual product called the Isotonix Daily Essential. I'm gonna leave a video down in the bottom, guys, that you can check out the video, and that'll give you a lot more 5-minute video, short video, give you a lot more understanding of what it is that I'm promoting, as well as I will have another link that gives you the direct link to the website that you can order the product up under in my website. And this product is definitely something that I'm recommending that every individual take on a daily basis, because we all need to get our daily, at least the recommended daily allowance. But this provides over and beyond the recommended daily allowance. The recommended daily allowance is the lower end of what they're saying that you at least need to get this much. But we're getting 100% of what it is that we need daily of those vitamins and minerals. And again, it's a great short video. Check the video out. Support the channel, support the business, and support your health. Invest in your health. That's your number one wealth. You invest in everything else, invest in your health. It is the number one, it is your number one priority. It is your number one wealth. There's nothing worse than being unhealthy and miserable when you can do things that can get you healthy and eliminate the misery. Peace, love, wellness, and success.